Bengal Treasures down to 57, dime denomination, 250 a spin. And we got the rubies. Not big rubies, but happy to have them. 5 boxes left. Still 5 boxes left. All right. Quick bonus there. So 16x bonus. Back up to almost our original 197. Looking for 3 of the Taj Mahals. Or 6, there it is. Holy mackerel. Holy mackerel. That's much better. In the category of better and much better, that's much better. Hello. Oh, how about a mini for 100? How about a mini? Oh, it's going to be another one of these. Come on. Come on, Bengal Treasures. Oh, my goodness. Will we take it? Yes. Will we take it happily? Yes. Was it much better than the first bonus? Yes. Did it arrive quickly? Yes. So, not complaining. All right. Okay, up to 223. That's to, there it is. Oh, Jiminy Christmas. Just like that. So it's a bigger trigger up front, but I think still the same number of spins. How about that? Fool around with the denominations and well, you never know. All right, 8 spins. We need 6 of those, if you please. Coins, 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 coins. No. I meant rubies. You know what I meant. All right, halfway through. Nada so far. All right, some jacks. 3 spins left. All right. Bonus in the bonus. After a bonus. After a bonus. Again, small rubies in this one. Goodness, and not a lot after the original trigger. Last spin in the regular bonus. So a little over 40, up to 261. We'll do some dollar spins. See how that gets us on. Keep it above 250. Last spin. All right, 250. Cash it out right there.